Hi, welcome to the ecobee family. Step into comfort and energy savings with our Smart Thermostat Essential installation video. This video walks you through the setup, while the ecobee app gives step-by-step detail. Smart Thermostat Essential works with most homes' heating and cooling systems. Check if your home is compatible. Homes without a common wire or C-wire can still support the Smart Thermostat Essential by using the ecobee Power Extender Kit, which is sold separately. If you have questions during installation, our customer support team is here to help, 7 days a week by phone, email, or live chat. Purchasing the Smart Thermostat Essential is a great way to save energy, live comfortably, while also helping the planet. Ready to install your smart thermostat? Let's get started. Begin installation by opening or downloading the ecobee app. Log in or create an account. Then add your ecobee device to your home by following the outlined steps in the mobile installation guide. Your smart thermostat comes with screws, drywall plugs, backplate, and wiring labels. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a drill with a 3/16" drill bit, and a Wi-Fi connection. You may also need a small flathead screwdriver, hammer, wire stripper, and pencil. First things first, turn off the power to your heating and cooling system. This step is important for you and your home's safety. Then remove the old thermostat cover. The app will prompt you to take a photo of the old wiring so you can refer to it later if needed. Select the wires that are connected to the terminals. After entering your wires into the app, you will then label the wires with the provided green labels. Then use your screwdriver to loosen each terminal to disconnect the wires. Next, unscrew the old backplate from the wall. If you have any imperfections from your old thermostat, you can attach the optional ecobee trim plate before the backplate. The ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential Trim Kit is sold separately. In homes where the thermostat is installed on a junction box, a plastic or metal box that houses wires, the ecobee Essential Trim Kit is required to mount your smart thermostat. Now place the ecobee backplate on the wall and insert the wires through it. Hold the backplate against the wall and straighten it using the integrated level while marking the holes with a pencil. Remove the backplate to drill holes. Insert drywall anchors. Now attach the ecobee backplate using the screws provided. Next, pull the wires through the center of the backplate. Insert the green labeled wires into the side of their corresponding terminals. Terminal levers should be depressed, letting you know that the wires are in the right position. Tug on the wires to ensure they are securely connected and push excess wiring back into the wall. Gently push your smart thermostat onto the backplate. You will hear a clicking sound. Turn your heating and cooling system back on. Your Smart Thermostat Essential should greet you with a "Hi," which means it's been installed correctly. Now follow the instructions on your thermostat to complete setup, which includes connecting it to your Wi-Fi network and ecobee account so you can control it from your mobile device. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your new smart thermostat. Be sure to check out other ecobee smart devices for more comfort, control, and peace of mind. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.